Hello, we want to represent you our product. It's a bitumen sprinkler. Usually we produce this sprinkler without any base, but you can install our bitumen sprinkler on any vehicle or track, whatever you have in your business. Bitumen sprinkler consists of power box and tank, which can be 500 liters or 1000 liters volume. The power box is consists of engine, which works on gasoline, gear pump, bypass, tank for liquid, which can clean all this system, valves, and the air system that can supply minimization of your cleaning liquid when you want to clean your hoses or the back ramp. To start the system, you have to switch in position on, start your engine, heat it up, and afterwards put the accelerator in position maximum. When you start work, the position of the handles should be in position clean. It means lifted up. This supply your pump with liquid, cleaning liquid, and at the start, the cleaning liquid from the tank goes around through the pump, hoses, and valves. This helps engine to start easy and fulfill whole system with the liquid to push out the all air out of the system. After 30 seconds, you started your system and clean it up. All what you need is just move the handles in position down. This is work position. Turn off either handle sprayer, either back ramp, and start sprinkler bitumen emulsion. Regulate the volume of sprinkling through this valve. The system consists of two cleaning systems. One system is cleaning hoses pump with a liquid, which is diesel or any other kind of, except gasoline, because gasoline doesn't support the system with lubrication. Only diesel or such a liquids. Either with air cleaning system. Air cleaning system helps you minimize expense of your diesel. With the compressor, you plugged hose up to here, move this handle in position airflow, and open on your choice to blow out either hose for hand sprayer, either to the you blow out to the back ramp. Most time you work in position work and the handle stand in this position. This valve most times stand in the horizontal position because this is position work, and only time when you move this valve position down, it's when you blow out emulsion out of hoses, either to handle sprayer, either to back ramp sprayer. To prevent any troubles with your pump, we strongly recommend you keep tank for cleaning system, fulfill it with diesel. This will allow your pump work last longer. If happen that tank is empty and the pump work with no liquid, there was only air, and you started your system and it doesn't pump anything, you gotta turn off this thing, fill up with either diesel, either with oil, start your engine to allow this oil fulfill the pump and block it back to allow the pump suck from the main tank or from the tank for cleaning system. When you fulfill pump with oil or diesel through this small cup, it will allow your pump to suck liquid, start suck liquid either from this tank, either from the main tank with emulsion. If it happens that last night you forgot to clean up the system and your pump is blocked with bitumen, all what you need is next morning to start your engine, burn such a burner, and heat up through this hole the pump and valves until you will hear the normal noise of your pump. The burner will allow it to melt the leftovers of bitumen and unblock your system inside the hoses and inside the pump.